Here we got a Benz C300. We end up installing the shock sensor added to the factory alarm system. We did this about a week ago, and he went ahead and called us back to install the cellular module. So when the alarm fires off, it will send him an alert to his phone, because he's been noticing a lot of door dings around the car, probably people opening the doors at work. And so he wants to make sure that since he parks a little far away, if it does go off, he can get an alert inside the building on his phone, and you know, he can go outside and address the issue. I'm gonna go ahead and trip the alarm and let it ring for like 14 seconds, and then I'll show you the notification that will come in the phone. It comes with an app. It also has GPS tracker, so he's able to track the vehicle. In the event that you know, somebody tows it or whatnot, or he lends it out, he wants to know where the car is. Okay, comes with the system. Shock sensor is one installation, and that's one price. And then the module for the GPS and the alert to his phone, that's a different price. You know, you can always get it installed at the same time, or you can then put one, and then if you're in situations that you want to get notified inside the mall, or situations that you're too far away from the car and you might not hear it honking, you know, that module is great because you can be anywhere in the United States. In fact, you can even be out of the country. It's a push notification, so if you have any type of cell phone reception wherever you go out of the country, I don't see why you shouldn't get that alert, because the car stays in the US, and that's the main thing, because the device is only for the United States. So, but your phone can be out of the country. This upgrade here and this shock sensor was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.